Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious spatchcock chicken that you see here. So let's jump right into this video. Let's start by preheating our oven to 425.
Next, we are going to quickly prep the chicken. You will need some kitchen shears to remove the backbone. Take a knife and cut into the cartilage behind the breastbone. This is going to allow the chicken to lay flat in your roasting pan. Give it a good rinse and pat dry with paper towels or a cloth. If you don't have paper towels, okay, you may use bleach or throw it away when you are done. And don't forget to disinfect your sink and countertop. In a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, we're going to add all of our chopped veggies and fresh herbs. We're going to baste with melted butter, or you can use olive oil if preferred. Season with a little salt and salt-free garlic and herb seasoning by Dash, formerly known as Mrs. Dash. Now we are going to make compound butter with these seasonings. So I want y'all to check the description box to get the full recipe with all of the ingredients and measurements. Mix your seasonings until they are well combined. Add a tablespoon of the seasoning blend to the back side of the chicken like this, and gently press those seasonings into the meat. Lay the chicken on top of the vegetables and gently lift the skin of the breast and the thighs. Your butter should be soft like this, okay? So make sure you take it out of the fridge far in advance. Now add the seasoning blend and give it a good mix to look like this. Add a tablespoon of the compound butter underneath the skin of the breast and the thighs. You're going to rub it around like this, and you want to get it to spread as evenly as possible. Now, take that leftover butter and you're going to coat the chicken. Okay, make sure you get all in those cracks and crevices and the nooks and the crannies. You want to get under the wings and the thighs. And yeah, you want to work kind of fast here, because if your chicken is cold, that butter is going to get hard. Okay, add enough chicken broth, or you may use water, to coat the bottom of your casserole dish. You'll need 1 to 2 cups. Tuck the wings, or you can use foil to prevent them from burning. And cook this uncovered at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need to baste your chicken every 30 to 45 minutes to keep it from drying out. And I recommend that you use a basting brush to do this. I had to go back in and brush some of the seasonings around. I did not like how they were just sitting on top of the chicken. So yeah, the basting brush really came in handy here. And this was after an hour of cooking. So back into the oven she goes. And once the chicken was done roasting, I let it rest for 15 minutes before cutting into it. And the total cook time was a little over an hour and a half. So when you make yours, you just need to roast it until the internal temp reaches 165. Now I will cut into the breast, which is AKA the driest part of the chicken, but not in this case here. Okay, as you can see, it is clearly not dry at all. Did y'all see all of that juice that came out? I mean, come on, did you see it? This chicken came out moist, juicy, delicious, and it was just packed with so much flavor. I know that you will love it. So if you try my recipe, please come back and let me know how your food turned out.